Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and confirming capability. This saves time later. Mount your camera or rig on a stable tripod or gimbal and level to within 0.5 to 1 degree. Then set manual exposure. Choose a shutter between 1/60 and 1/120 to capture smooth motion. Make sure ISO and aperture are fixed to avoid flicker. Once done, enable spatial capture mode and record a short test clip. Listen for unwanted noise and watch depth consistency so you can adjust. Now you move into the detailed execution where consistency matters. Record overlapping passes with about 20 to 30% parallax variation to give the spatial algorithm enough data for depth. Move slowly and steadily, use a motorized slider or smooth gimbal pan, and avoid sudden stops that confuse stitching. Keep an eye on the live depth preview. If alignment drifts, tweak focus, exposure, or rig alignment and re-record the affected segment. This step secures clean depth maps, so make adjustments early rather than later. Finish by moving footage to your workstation and running the stitching process with calibrated camera profiles. This ensures accurate depth continuity across clips. You should keep an untouched original file plus a working copy for edits. After stitching, export the multi-channel spatial file and test it in the target viewer or device to validate parallax and playback performance. If depth breaks or artifacts appear, reopen the affected clip, check alignment markers, and restitch only that section. This often fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.